Welcome back, and there's news coming in from Tamil Nadu. This is related to the film Jananayagan, Vijay's film, which is supposed to be his last film, and it seems Vijay's film and the censor board that had asked for certain cuts, and after that it was resubmitted, and despite that it did not get a certification. Now High Court, while listening to this matter, has questioned the censor board over their actions. Joining us right now is Anagha Keshav. Anagha, what has the High Court asked the censor board?
Well, in fact, the High Court has questioned the censor board as to the inordinate delay in issuing a censor certificate for the film Jananayagan. Remember, it was watched on December 19th. It's going to be many weeks, close to 3 weeks, and yet the censor certificate has still not been issued. To which the lawyer appearing for the censor board has given a reason, saying that the film Jananayagan has images of the emblems of Indian Defence Forces portrayed in that film, and therefore an expert's opinion ought to have been sought for issuing a censor certificate for the film, is what the censor board is saying. So that seems to be the main reason why there has been a delay on part of the CBSE in issuing a censor certificate. The KVN production house had applied for a UA 16 plus certificate for the film Jananayagan, and now we are just 3 days away from the film's big release. It's going to be released on Jan 10th. That's the slated release date. Until now, we don't have a censor certificate. Now, the censor board has given a reason as to being that certain emblems from the defense forces have been portrayed in the Jananayagan film, and for its portrayal, experts' opinion should have been sought, and that's why there is still a delay in giving a censor certificate, is what the CBFC has said. In fact, the judge has also questioned the censor board as to why is it that even after the examining committee watching the film, why was it again sent to a revising committee? The censor board has given a reply saying that if the chairman of CBFC is not satisfied with the recommendations given by the examining committee, then it can further be sent again to another revising committee.
Right.
That seems to have been the argument between the censor board placing in front of the Madras High Court judge.
Right.